Meet the legendary Toyota Tacoma V6, renowned for its bulletproof reliability and low maintenance costs. This naturally aspirator engine is a proven workhorse, delivering consistent performance without the complexity of modern day turbochargers. Fast forward to today, MVC Tacomas equipped with turbocharged 4-cylinder engines. While they offer more power, they introduce increased mechanical complexity and potential for higher maintenance needs. Historically, turbocharged engines can be more prone to issues like turbo failure and carbon buildup, leading to increased maintenance costs over time. On the other hand, the older Tacoma V6 is celebrated for its simplicity and durability, often surpassing 200, 400, half a million miles with just routine maintenance. Plus, these older models hold their value exceptionally well, thanks to their reputation for longevity and dependability. So, when considering a Tacoma, remember, newer isn't always better. Sometimes the legend lies in the past.